Locations Texas include Royal, Linden, Chester, Flint Hill, Hunley, Arco, Riverton, Carl, Glen Echo, Browntown, Buckton, Riverside, and Bentonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe weather safety rules. Severe thunderstorms